Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an email subscription button on your Blogger website. This feature allows visitors to subscribe to your blog and receive updates whenever you publish new content, helping you build a dedicated audience that stays engaged with your posts. First, open your web browser and navigate to follow.it. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an option that says Set up your feed. Click on it to begin the process of creating your subscription widget. This platform makes it incredibly easy to integrate email subscriptions without needing any coding knowledge. On the next screen, you'll be presented with different options for setting up your feed. Click on From Website since we're working with a Blogger site. Now, paste your Blogger URL into the field provided and click Continue. This step connects your blog to the follow.it service, allowing it to track and distribute your content to subscribers. You'll now be taken to a customization page where you can edit the appearance and settings of your subscription widget. Take some time here to adjust the design elements to match your blog's style and branding. You can change colors, text, and other visual elements to ensure the subscription button blends seamlessly with your existing website layout. Once you're satisfied with your customization, scroll down the page until you find the HTML code section. This code is what you'll need to embed the subscription widget on your Blogger site. Go ahead and copy this entire HTML code carefully, making sure you've selected everything from start to finish. Now it's time to head back to your Blogger dashboard. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on Layout. This section controls where different elements appear on your blog. Find the sidebar area, which is typically where subscription widgets work best, and click Add Gadget. From the list of available gadgets, select HTML JavaScript. This option allows you to insert custom code into your blog. A new window will pop up where you can configure your gadget. In the title field, input something descriptive like subscribe via email or get updates. Then in the content field below, paste the HTML code you copied from follow.it earlier. Once everything looks correct, click Save to add the widget to your sidebar. To see your new email subscription button in action, click View Blog on the left side of your Blogger dashboard. This will open your live blog in a new tab where you can confirm that the subscription widget is now visible and functioning properly on your sidebar. And there you have it, your Blogger website now has a fully functional email subscription button that visitors can use to stay updated with your latest posts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.